everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a full day of eating. I haven't done one in like a couple weeks, so I thought I would just take you along my day today and what I do and what I eat. I am currently not at my house. I'm currently dog sitting, so that's why you see a different background and everything. But today I am going to start with some school instead of the gym. So I'm going to be going to the gym a little bit later today, and then I have to film my gym session, but not for this video, for another video, because I'm doing a week of workouts this week. But it should be a fun one, and I'm going to go do some schoolwork right now before I head to the gym.
Probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So
okay, I'm currently going for a walk, and it's freezing out, so I layered up. So I have sweats on top of my leggings, and then I have a sweatshirt and my big jacket, and then I'll also be putting some gloves on. So I'm gonna go for like a mile walk and then a mile walk later. I'm breaking it up into two today. I just made it to the gym for a upper body session today. So I will be filming that, but I won't be filming it for this YouTube video. But this will go up later than my week of workouts. So if you want to see my entire workout, it'll be a few videos back. But it is currently 8:34 and I'm hungry. I usually have a banana before the gym lately, but I didn't have a banana with me. So I wasn't able to eat anything before the gym, so I'm starving. So I'm excited for breakfast. I just got home from the gym, and now I'm going to make some breakfast. So I'm going to make some gluten-free banana chocolate chip pancakes, because banana chocolate chip pancakes are superior to everything in the world. And then I'm gonna have 2 over easy eggs topped with sauteed mushroom, spinach, and bell pepper. And this is the beauty of meal prepping, because I just have to warm this up. It's already all sauteed, so I don't have to do it this morning. So if you don't meal prep, I highly suggest it, because it just saves you so much time. I know in the moment when you're doing it, it doesn't feel like you're saving time. I'll wait for my dogs to be done drinking water. I know in the moment it doesn't feel like you're saving time, but in reality, throughout the entire week, it saves you so much time, because you're only spending like 2 hours tops one day when you're cooking everything. But if you were to break it up every day, cook a little bit, it would take so much more time. So if you don't meal prep, you should. Here's my breakfast. I have 3 pancakes. I made up my own pancake mix. And then I have 2 over easy eggs with the veggie scramble on top. This has become one of my go-to staple breakfasts. I've had it every day for about 3 weeks, I want to say, because it's just so good and I never get tired of it. I just got done editing my Instagram workout, so now I am on to editing my workout for YouTube for the week of workouts. And then after I finish that, I have to do an essay. So That's always fun, doing an essay. And then after that, I'm going to go back to the house that I'm dog sitting at. I meal prepped my lunch, so I have all my stuff there, which is super nice. And then I am going to take the dog on a walk, and then maybe do a little bit more schoolwork if I have time. Then I train the kids at 3:30. Then after that, I will do more homework because I will be at the house that I'm pet sitting at all weekend. So nothing better to do than a bunch of homework, am I right? I'm now exporting my YouTube video to my computer, that way I can schedule the upload for YouTube. But this week I've been so tired. I just feel like I've been non-stop going. Like the second I wake up to the second I go to bed, I have just been incredibly busy. So I don't know if anybody else has had a week like that, but if you have, I'm right in the same boat as you. I just want to take a nap so bad. Like I've barely been up. Okay, that's a lie. I've been up for a while, but I'm already so tired, and it's only 12:30. And I'm like exhausted. I'm ready for bedtime. So hopefully next week will be a little bit less busy, and it probably will be because I'm not uploading every single day of the week. But I need to go drink some water. I haven't had much water today, so I'm gonna go downstairs and have a glass full of water. Here's your reminder to go drink some water also, so cheers. Ow. Hold on. I got a throat freeze now. But I feel way better after a glass of water. So, I know you didn't go get up and get a glass of water. So I'm telling you to get up and go get a glass of water because you can never have too much water. And I am back in the car to head to the house that I am pet sitting at. Oh my gosh, I'm thirsty. Hold on. You know when you start talking and then you realize how thirsty you are? Yeah, that just happened to me. So 1 second. I'm gonna head there and then take a dog on a walk, and then I think I'm gonna come home a little bit later again tonight because I need to get some socks. I want to wear quarter socks to the gym tomorrow. And on the way out, I realized I forgot them. I mean, I'm still in my driveway, but I'll probably just come back tonight. But I am hungry. So I'm going to take the dog on a walk, and then I am going to heat up my meal prepped teriyaki chicken. It is finally lunchtime, so thank goodness I meal prepped some veggies, rice, and chicken because I am going to go ahead and heat everything up. It's as simple as that.
I'm feeling happy, and moments ago I was only empty. What did you slip me? My heart is racing and I'm getting dizzy. There must be some complicated after effect to this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did?
Alright, here's my lunch. I thought I'd quickly tell you guys how I made it. So obviously just jasmine rice. I put it in the Instant Pot and make it. And then for the chicken, I put some seasonings on it. I put garlic powder, salt, pepper, and the chili lime Trader Joe's seasoning on it. And then I marinate it in teriyaki sauce. And then I just sauteed zucchini, mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, snap peas, in teriyaki sauce on the stove, and that's it. And then I just threw it all in the bowl, and here's my lunch. I just finished my lunch, but I'm still a little bit hungry, and I want something like sour, sweet kind of. So I'm gonna have a little cutie. I apologize because I had some chips and salsa, some plantain chips and salsa, and I forgot to show you guys. I didn't have my camera on me, and I had some cashews for a snack. It's 6 o'clock right now, so about in like an hour, hour and a half, I will have my dinner. It's a really simple dinner. I'm not cooking tonight, So in the meantime, I'm gonna keep crack-a-lacking on some homework. It is now about 7:10 and I'm going to make my dinner now. From Costco, you can get these little like frozen shrimp fried rice bags. And they're actually really good. So I'm just going to chuck this into the microwave for like 2 minutes, I guess. 3 minutes. And that will be my dinner. Super easy, super yummy. It is currently only 8:10 at night. And I feel like I could just pass out right now. I've had the longest week, but my dinner, I think I ate a little bit too much because my tummy feels a little yucky. So usually I would have a little bit of like a sweet treat, but tonight I'm not going to because my tummy's feeling a bit yucky. But for the rest of the night, I think I'm just going to relax. Maybe do a tiny bit more school. I feel like school's never ending. And that's about it because I picked out my outfit for tomorrow for the gym. And I've pretty much done everything for today that I need to do. So for the rest of the night, I'm just going to be doing a little bit more school and then watching TV.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
No. I cannot try again. And then watch a little bit of TV and then go to bed.
Did like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now, just shut your mouth and kiss me. It can get lonely, swiping left and right to meet somebody. And they won't get to know me, but that's okay. In retrospect, I do it over and over, cause that's just how we met. There must be some complicated after effect to this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now, yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me. In the parking lot, in the backseat, don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me, like you mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, shut your mouth and cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you.
For the rest of the night, I am just going to be in bed. I have to read a little bit for school, and then I have to do a few assignments, and then I'm going to bed. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I ate today. I ate a lot of rice. Usually I don't eat that much rice in a day, but they were just quick, convenient meals, which is what I have been eating this past few weeks, because I've just been on the go nonstop and just need quick, convenient, yet healthy meals. So I'll be doing a lot more full days of eating, so you guys can keep seeing a variety of the meals that I have. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.